Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a subscribe animation using Adobe After Effects. I think this is a very common problem every YouTuber gets, so today I'm gonna answer that question. Okay guys, before starting this video, please give this video a like and of course hit that red subscribe button with the bell. Alright guys, without further talking, let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so you need to download the template I created, so just click the link in the description box. Once you click that, you can download it. So it will download as a zip folder. Just extract using WinRAR or any software you have. Once you open the extract folder, you will get 6 files. So it says create your logo. Once you open that folder, you will get this PSD file. Actually, you can create a logo if you have a logo using Photoshop, and then these are pictures we are using to create the animation, and then these are the sounds we can use to create the animation. And if you have any other sound effects in your computer, you can use them. This is the project file. It means your After Effects project. So just double click it and then it will open in After Effects. So make sure you install Adobe After Effects. And also your After Effects version should be version 15 or higher, so keep that in mind. Okay, as you can see, this is the animation, so I'm just gonna play it for you. Just click spacebar on your keyboard. As you can see guys, that is our animation. So mainly we need to put our profile picture and then we need to put the YouTube channel name. Actually, I'm not gonna explain the interface of After Effects. If you need a video about how to use After Effects, just comment down below and I will create a video how to use After Effects too. Okay, from here you need to go over to your timeline and then you need to click on main file right here, and then it will show all the layers in your animation. So first we need to change the logo. It means we need to put our profile picture to the animation. So to do that, just click on this your logo, just double click it and then it will select the logo, and then just click that and then hit on delete, and then it will delete that picture. Okay, just open your file explorer and then put your profile picture. Okay guys, as you can see, I put my profile picture, so I'm gonna resize it. Okay, I think it's pretty good, so don't worry about the background, so it is a transparent background. So once you're happy with your profile picture, just click on final right here, and as you can see, now we put the profile picture to the animation. So now we need to put YouTube channel name to the animation. So just click on main file again and select the text layer, and it will select the sample text. So just double click it and then it will highlight the text, and then just write your channel name. So I'm gonna type my YouTube channel name. Okay guys, now I put my channel name. So mainly we need to change the font and also we need to resize the text. So to do that, just double click on that text layer and then you will come right here, and then you can change the font. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna change it to like bold version. Okay, now I'm gonna resize the text. Okay, now you can drag it to your left side and it will small the text, and then once you drag it to your right side, it will large the text. So I'm gonna create like that, and then I'm just gonna get the move tool. Okay, now I'm gonna move this verification button, so I'm gonna go like that, and then I'm gonna select this verification button, and then I'm gonna click right arrow on my keyboard. Okay, now I think it's good. I'm gonna resize my text. Okay, now I think it's pretty good. Let's click on final again and then let's preview it once more. Okay guys, I think to change my verification button. So I'm gonna click on main file again, and then I'm gonna select the verification button, and then I'm gonna go like that. Okay, now I'm gonna click on final, and now let's play it. Okay, now I think it's good, and also you can change the second text layer. So again, select main file, and then just select the second text layer, and then just double click that, and then just type the text you need to put to the animation. Okay, now I'm going to select move tool, and then I'm going to resize it, and then I'm going to go back to final. Okay guys, now I think it's pretty good. Okay guys, now we need to put the sound effect. So open File Explorer, and then just drag and drop that sound effect. Actually, you can select any sound effect. So this is the first sound effect, and this is the second sound effect. Actually, I'm using the second sound effect, so I'm gonna drag and drop it to my project panel, and now I can drag and drop it to my timeline, and then I'm gonna move it like that. And now let's play the animation. Alright guys, now we successfully create the animation with the sound effect. And guys, the final step is to save it to our computer, so we can put it to our editing software, and then you can use it. So actually we need to render animation without this black background. We need only the animation, so let's see how to do that. Okay, now we need to click on File at your top left corner, and then click on Export right here, and then click on Add to Render Queue, and it will add a new tab to our timeline. So guys, we will get two options as render settings and output module. There's nothing to change in render settings, so we need to change the settings in output module. So just click that, and then it will open this export window. It means our export settings window. So I can change the format to AVI or QuickTime. I'm going to change it to AVI. Okay, now we need to export this animation. We don't need black background, so now we can change it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the channels under video output. I'm going to change it to RGB plus alpha, and there's nothing to change other than that. So once you copy all of these settings, just hit on OK. And now let's see how to select the location you need to save this animation. So here it says output to, just click that, and then just select the folder you need to save it. So I'm going to save it to my desktop, and then we can give a name, and then I'm going to hit on save right here. Okay guys, now here you will get an option render. Just click that, and then it will start rendering. As you can see guys, it took like 3 seconds. So let's open the animation. So this is the one. I'm going to double click that. So I'm going to show you how to put this to your editing software. I'm using Premiere Pro, so I'm just gonna open Premiere Pro. Okay guys, I put a video to Premiere Pro. And now I'm gonna put the animation. So I'm just gonna open File Explorer and then just go to the specific folder that you saved the animation and then put it to your project panel, and then you can put it to a timeline. And now let's play the video. As you can see guys, it works perfectly, so I'm just gonna show you again. Okay guys, let's play it again. As you can see guys, I put it perfectly to my editing software. You can put it any software you use and then you can use it to your videos. And yeah guys, that's it, the video. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give this video a like, and also please subscribe my channel with the bell. Thanks for watching this video until the end. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.